Oral assignment. Ecological problems around the world. One of the biggest problems around the world is the pollution and the consequences that it have. What is pollution and what consequences it have? Also called environmental pollution, the addition of any substance, solid, liquid, or gas, or any form of energy, such as heat, sound, or radioactivity, to the environment at a rate faster than it can be dispersed, diluted, decomposed, recycled, or stored in some harmless form. The major kind of population are classified by environment: air pollution, water pollution, and land pollution. Modern society is also concerned about specific types of pollutants, such as noise pollution, light pollution, and even plastic pollution. There is an important concept that we have to keep in mind, and it is that there is a difference between contamination and pollution. Contamination is the presence of substance that should not be present naturally. Pollution is when the contaminant causes harm to organisms or infrastructure. Therefore, you can have a contaminated environment without it being polluted, but you cannot have a polluted environment without it being contaminated. But what are the problems that pollution has? One of the biggest problems is the global warming. Global warming is the current increase in temperature of Earth's surface as well as its atmosphere. Average temperature around the world have risen by 0.75 Celsius degrees over the last 100 years. About 2/3 of this increase has occurred since 1975. In the past, when the Earth experienced increases in temperature, it was the result of natural causes, but today it is being caused by accumulation of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere produced by human activities. The natural greenhouse effect maintains the air temperature at a safe level, making it possible for humans and many other life forms to exist. However, since the Industrial Revolution, human activities have significantly enhanced the greenhouse effect, causing the Earth's average temperature to rise almost 1 Celsius degrees. This is creating the global warming we see today. But which organization and what humans are doing about? One of the most important organizations of global warming and for ecological support is Greenpeace. This organization is very important and also famous because it helps with a lot of actions that provides to the society and any kind of people can enter or just help with donations or with actions. For example, buying and using solar panels for houses, the developing of new technology so they stop using oil. There are plenty of things that people could do or without the organization, for example, recycling. In conclusion, I think ecological problems we can see it everywhere and a good deal of us don't make anything to solve the problem. We have to focus on our Mother Earth. We have one home and it's right here. We can see alarms that the Earth is sending us like hurricanes, earthquakes, tsunamis, etc. Each of us have to make actions to change the status of the world.